I've been invited to a competition. This is an artist competition. I have never done one of these before. I have to finish a painting in 30 minutes. 30 minutes? Yo, have you ever finished a painting in 30 minutes? But I said yes to it. I'm a little nervous. How are you gonna paint a painting in 30 minutes? To me, that's just like insane. You know, sometimes paintings take like a long time. I need to practice. I need to do something. So let's do this. I have this board and I am gonna do a run through. Like, I think I have a concept. I'm gonna play with that concept, see what we can do. If we finish it in 30 minutes, great. If we don't, whatever, let's just do it. I'm good. We got everything we need. Man, this is gonna be a lot harder than I think. I'm so freaking nervous, but whatever, let's just do this. Let's just do it. Let's start. This is my first time ever joining any art competition, and it makes me a little nervous because I'm gonna be competing against other artists in front of other people. I'm just not like this live painter type of guy. I did this just because I think it would be a good experience. I think it would be kind of cool. And two, you know, like just the thoughts of painting something in 30 minutes. And I know that, you know, you can definitely paint a painting in 30 minutes. It's not the minute part, but you know, someone like me, it takes me time to kind of get into my rhythm. It takes me time to kind of feel the flow, to kind of understand the painting, to kind of like work my way into it. The thoughts that went through my mind as I was painting this was the thoughts of fear, the thoughts of doubt, the thoughts of like, am I gonna be even good enough to do this? You know, it's just crazy. It's like an imposter syndrome type thing. But you know, I guess you just gotta have fun with it. That's art, is just have fun with it, do your thing, let go, and just like, you know, have fun. Because if you don't have fun with it, it's not worth it at all. That was nuts. I'm not mad at my painting, to be honest. I mean, I think it definitely needs some work and stuff, but I think it was a cool experience. Tell me what you think. It's not my best work, but guys, 30 minutes, like, that's tough. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll keep you up to date on the competition, let you know how it goes.